Main level living with a quiet setting. Beautifully appointment townhome that is sure to please. Open floor plan with natural light flowing in throughout. Owner's bedroom provides privacy as it flows into the bathroom with double sinks and spacious closet, and quick access to the laundry room. Kitchen is spacious enough for an additional eating area. Lighting in the home has been updated for a fresh new look along with fresh paint. Enjoy 2 gas-burning fireplaces, one in the upper level living room and the other in the lower level family room. The third bedroom is also on the lower level along with a 3/4 bathroom, and an incredible amount of storage space. Outdoor spaces include your private deck with looks out onto and abundance of green space. Just outside the front door is an attractive paver patio, a perfect area to keep your grill and patio table for enjoying those warmer days in our near future.